Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn about negative fraction. So you know about multiplication when you take the positive number multiply to negative number and you have the result will be negative number, something like this. Or you have negative number multiply to negative number, and because the sign of two number in this multiplication are same, so you will have the positive in result. And continue about this topic, I want to introduce about the division with negative number. So something like you have 3 divided by negative 1 or negative 3 divided by negative 5. So what is the result? What is the positive? What is the negative result in about this fraction? So let me tell you about something. You have negative number in the denominator. You can change the negative sign from denominator to numerator like this. Or another way for write down negative fraction, you can write down the minus sign in this position. Yeah, minus sign in here is mean it will be vertical line with the bar in this one. So you have three ways for writing negative number. You have three ways for writing negative number. Okay, another example, you got negative 6 divided by negative 7. So you can write down like 6 divided by negative 7 like this. Or another way, you got negative of 6 over 7 like this. This is very important when you take multiplication between two fractions, like 1 over 2 multiplying 3 over negative 5 like this. So you know about multiplication between two fractions, you will take numerator multiply denominator, numerator multiply, you will take numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator like this. And 1 times 3, you got 3. 2 times negative 5, you know about that, right? Negative 10. So for this result, you should not put the negative sign in denominator. It's very complicated for watching. So I recommend that you will write down like this. It is better. Yeah, you should put negative sign in numerator. It's better for checking, or that is better for watching. Yeah. So how about negative over negative? You can have negative 2 over negative 2, just like multiplication. When you got two negative number multiplied together, it will be positive in results. So it's the same thing for this fraction. You got negative 2 over negative 5. The result will be 2 over 5 like this. And of course, when you got positive divided by positive, it still be positive. Yeah. But when you got negative 4 over negative 5, it also be 4 and 5 like this. Okay, let me take example about this one. You got 2 over minus 4 multiply minus 1 over minus 5. Oh, sorry, only 5 in here. Only 5 in here. Okay, multiplication of fractions. So numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator, and in this one you will got negative 2, and for denominator you got minus 20. So this is negative over negative, it means positive, so it's a negative result. I'm just write down 2 over 20. Yeah, no negative sign anymore. And you can simplify here by divide both numerator and denominator by 2. You got 1 over 10. Yeah, so that is not too difficult, right? How about division? Let me take example about division. You got 2 divided by negative 4. Divide negative 1 over 5. Let me clear about this one. When you take division of fraction, you will have multiplication with reciprocal. reciprocal. It means reciprocal of negative 1 over 5. This is 5 over negative 1 like this. And of course, I think you should put negative number inside the bracket like this for separate negative number and positive number. And then you will got 2 times 5 divided by negative 4 times negative 1. And you got 10 here and you got 4 here. So both numerator and denominator divisible by 2. So you got new fraction is 5 over 2. Yeah, that's it. So the main point of this video is you have 3 ways. You have 3 ways for write down negative fraction. First way, you can write down like this. Second way, you can write down like this. And the third way, you can write down like this. Okay, where is minus sign? You have 3 positions of minus sign. The first one in denominator, the second one in numerator, and the third one in this position in the middle. Okay, but I recommend you write down in this form. You should put negative sign of numerator. It's better. It's very better. So let's do some exercise. The first one, you got negative 3 over 4 multiply 7 divided by 5. Okay, you can stop video right now and you can do it by yourself. Divide by this one. Okay, how about negative 3 over 4 multiply 7 negative 5 in this one. Okay, and the last, you got negative 3 divided by 4 divided by 7 negative 7 divided by 5. Okay, now stop video right now and do these 4 questions by yourself and play video for watching my solution. The first one, you got negative 3 over 4 multiply 7 over 5. Numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Bracket for negative number. And you got minus 21 divided by 20. Because for this result, I'm already put negative sign in numerator, so I don't need to change. The second, this one will multiply 5 over 7. Because you take divide 7 over 5, it means you will multiply reciprocal of 7 over 5. Reciprocal of 7 over 5 is 5 over 7 like this. And then you take in the normal way and result you will got minus 15 over 28 like this. Okay, same thing for here, and 4 times negative 5. So for this result you will got minus 21 over minus 20. And yes, you got negative over negative, it means positive, so I will write down only 21 over 20 for this question. Yep. Okay, the next thing, minus 3 over 4 multiply 5 over negative 7. Reciprocal of negative 7 over 5. Okay, so minus 3 times 5 and 4 times minus 7. And for this one, you got minus 15 and minus 28. Negative over negative. So you will got 15 over 28. 15 over 28. And one more. This example will be last example in this video. Divide by negative 3 over 2. Okay, so how can you work with this one? This is negative number. And divide by negative 3 over 2 is mean you will multiply 2 over negative 3 like this. And in the result, you will got numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and here is 8, and this one is minus 15. So I told you, you should not put negative number or negative sign in the denominator, you should put it in numerator. So that's why I will write down my final answer for this question is minus 8 over 15. Minus 8 over 15. Okay, that is the last example in this video, and after this one I want to remind you about multiplication and division of fraction. and the more important is about the way how can you write down negative fraction. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.